What's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Today is February the 3rd, 2021, and I am the work at home job queen. For those of you who do not know, let's get the housekeeping out of the way as always. Make sure you come over to the blog, link in the description box down below. Shout out to those of you who have been on this email list. You already know what it's all about. You get first dibs on these work at home job opportunities. They're going to be sent directly to your phone/email. Okay. So make sure you come over here, you guys, and enter your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Okay. Enter your email and click send me new leads, and you will need to verify that you're not a robot. All right. Also, make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. If you're looking for a community of like-minded people, people who currently already work from home, where you can develop connections, possibly get, referrals, etc., etc. Okay, so definitely come over here and join the lounge. Make sure that you answer the 3 questions when prompted, and make sure you have a profile picture, and also make sure that your account is not new. If your account is 2 days old, a week old, even a month old, I do not accept those accounts. Okay, so make sure that you abide by those 3 requirements. All right. First job that we're going to share is going to be the Sun Life. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard of Sun Life. Okay. They're looking for dental claims administrators to work from home. So basically what you'll be doing is you're going to be doing customer service. You're going to be answering inbound phone calls, processing dental claims. Okay. Now this role requires a shift working including 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Now, you don't need to have a lot of experience, okay? The minimum thing that you need is a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service or call center experience, okay? Look, I say this all the time. I don't care if you worked at McDonald's. I don't care if you worked at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. Doesn't matter, okay? If you've done anything, even if you worked in a hospital as a CNA, that's considered customer service. You were dealing with a patient/client, okay? It's customer service. Gas station, it doesn't matter. So apply, you guys. There are so many people who can vouch for this, whether it's on this YouTube channel or in the group, where they can tell you that they thought that they weren't qualified for a position. They apply and they got hired. Okay. So please do not sell yourself short. You are worthy and you can land one of these positions. Okay. So definitely run and apply to this one. Again, this is for Sun Life. Okay. Now this one is under yesterday's date. That's why I always tell you guys, don't just stay under today's date, you guys. Make sure you come over here and scroll. It's going to be Sun Life under yesterday's date, which is February the 2nd. All right. Next up is going to be Live Ops. Okay. Live Ops has several different opportunities that they're hiring for. The one that I shared today is for the home delivery support. Now, they also have retail support, tax support, health patient support, on-demand entertainment, inbound sales, insurance, several others, just basic customer service. So come over here and check out Live Ops. I love Live Ops because you can make your own schedule. It is a 1099 opportunity for those of you guys that are looking for something to do outside of your regular job or whatever, where you can do, when you're available, definitely check out Live Ops. Okay. Next up is going to be Rev. This is another 1099 where you can work as much or as little as you like. They pay you every single week via PayPal. So what I would do when I sign up for Rev, I would make sure when I'm signing up using my PayPal email. Okay. Now, average earnings per month. Again, this is going to be a little bit of a side hustle. It's not going to be something that's going to get you rich. But if you want to make a few extra dollars, definitely check this out. Because again, $245 is not a lot, but it can definitely pay a bill for somebody. Okay. The top monthly earnings are $14.95. I'm pretty sure that's for people who've probably been with Rev for a while. But this is nothing but basic transcription or /data entry. Okay. You'll be listening to pre-recorded conversations and you'll be transcribing them into text. Okay. So definitely keep that in mind. So if you're looking for something that you can do where you're not on the phones, definitely check this out. As I tell you guys, if you're looking for a non-phone opportunity, make sure, okay, that you are able to type. There are a lot of free typing software where you guys can go over and practice your typing. Because if you're looking for one of those work at home positions that you do not have to be on the phone and you're chatting, et cetera, you're going to need to be able to type, because you're not going to be able to, be productive if you're just pecking the computer. Okay. So that is Rev for audio transcribers. Okay. Next up is going to be Jack Henry. Jack Henry is looking for technical support representatives. All right. And they're also looking for part-time customer service representatives for the bank credit union call center. So definitely check this out. This one starts March 8th. Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 for the first 5 weeks is when you're going to be training. Okay, these are part-time positions where you will work an average of 29 hours per week. Okay, you must be available to work one of the following shifts, which is going to be mornings during the week from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as an 8-hour shift every Saturday or Sunday, or morning shifts during the week from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as an 8-hour shift every Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind. All right, next up is going to be Omni. I've shared Omni with you guys before. Omni is still looking for customer service and support reps. Okay, this is a great 1099 opportunity. So a lot of you guys have asked me for positions that you can, make your own schedule, decide how much or how little you want to work. So definitely check out Omni. This is a great, great opportunity, you guys. I share Omni a lot. There are so many people who are so in love with the company because they are, they're very, they communicate. They also are, it's just an overall great company to work for. Okay. Definitely join the group if you're not already in there. There are tons of reviews on Omni. There's an Omni thread that has over 1,000 comments. So definitely come over to the Omni, to the group, and make sure you check out the Omni thread for any questions that you have about Omni. Okay. But for this position, you could be helping senior citizens schedule their COVID vaccination appointments, helping people who want information on features and functions of software, or even taking financial service calls, okay, or unemployment calls. So this is definitely an opportunity that you want to check out if you're looking for an opportunity where, again, you can make your own schedule, or you can decide whether or not you want to work a lot or whether you want to work a little. Now, for this one, it's $14 to $16 per hour, and you will need to provide your own equipment. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind as well. Okay, so these are a lot of 1099 work whenever you want, as much or as little as you want positions. There are a couple in there that you will have a set schedule, like Sun Life that I mentioned and Jack Henry, but the others you can make your own schedule, which is Live Ops, Rev, and Omni. Okay, so again, check out the group because I have a lot of 1099 positions that are listed in there, and we talk about them. So definitely check that out. Again, make sure you come over here to the blog and sign up to the email newsletter. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you a dime. And make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook if you're looking for a community of like-minded people. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.